Welcome back to my channel, y'all, and today we're doing a Copycat toasted chalupa taco, y'all, and this will be under my fast food copycat restaurants and taco playlist. Let's go. So I'm starting with some baking powder, and then I also have some shortening, but you can use butter. I also am going to use some salt and milk, and then I also have some all-purpose flour. All right, so good clean hands. I'm gonna add my dry ingredients and mix them up. And so first I'm gonna mix the dry and then add in that lard and then just break it up, and what you want is a good crumbly mixture. And so I'm just going to gradually add my milk, and it's going to depend on the temperature and dryness in your kitchen on how much milk you actually use. I'll put the measurements in the description, but it's going to be a super sticky dough like so. And then I'm just going to roll it out into the surface, and you guys know I don't knead dough. I hate kneading, so you just do this for a few minutes until it comes together and it's just a smoother dough like so. I'm going to cover it up and set it off to the side. So after about 30 minutes, I am going to divide it out onto a floured surface, and while I do that, go ahead and use this opportunity to click that subscribe button if you have not already. You're missing out. And thank you so much to those who have already subscribed and are supporting my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. And so here I just have my sections, which you see I ended up with 8 pieces, and I'm going to roll them up and cover them up just for a few minutes while we heat up our oil. And so when you get ready to cook them, you're just going to roll them out with a little bit of flour, and then this is about the thickness you want. So it has to be a little bit thicker than a tortilla, so I'll say double the size of what you normally would use for a traditional tortilla. And then into your skillet with your oil, you're going to let it cook until it starts to bubble up. So you'll see the little bubbles like so. And then what you want is a light golden brown on the other side. And then just I'm using a metal chopstick just to fold. And then there you go. You'll have your traditional chalupa shell. And then put it top down so it can drain any excess oil. For the toasted, I'm going to keep it flat like so, and again a very light cook. You don't want a dark brown because you want a soft dough. So after I have the flat one, I'm going to put it on my drain tray and then start another one and let the excess oil drain off, and then I'm going to create a pocket with foil like so and seal that up, and then this way you will have a pliable chalupa shell, and this steam is going to soften that up. So once we get ready to go on the toasted chalupa method, I'm going to take one of those flat shells, and I'm going to do the bubble side first, and I'm going to just add a little bit of shredded cheddar to the skillet, and then I'm going to put the bubbly side down and press down onto that shredded cheese, and it's very little shredded cheese that is needed, and I'm just going to swirl it around the skillet to pick up those little bits. And look at this, you guys. Isn't that easy? Perfect. Your toasted chalupa shell is done, and I'm just going to keep going and make some more. And then here you go, you guys. We don't have to worry about discontinued items. This is here. You guys can make it. It is super simple and easy, and then you can just fill it with all of your favorite toppings, customize it how you want it. Okay, and then y'all, I know what you guys want. Just one second, y'all. Come on now, let me let you get that bite. Hold on, y'all. When I'm talking about that pillowy dough with that toasted cheddar on the outside, it is so good. Go on and take that bite. There you go. So good, you guys. I'm drooling. So you guys make sure hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. And remember, I release new recipes every single week. So thank you so much for watching. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I'll see you all next week. Bye, y'all.